name is Abby and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I thought it would be super fun if I made some DIY shirts because I just thought I needed some new shirts that would kind of make me feel more summer-ish. I don't know if that's a word, so whatever. But everything that I used in this video was probably under $20 or like around $25. So it's actually a very, very good way to make shirts. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. What you are going to need. So I just got these shirts and patches from my local craft store. I'm sure any place really sells shirts that you can use. You can even use an old shirt that you have. So I'll be showing you guys the patches. So I got this really nice, pretty kind of bowl with flowers on it, and I really, really liked it once I saw it. And then I got a mandala flower. It's like a really pretty design. So these are kind of the more transfer, like kind of sheet, kind of like this shirt. And then I got patches. So I got this for kind of 4th of July kind of looking stuff. And then I just got a cherry. Going on to the shirts, I actually have already cropped 2 of them. I personally like my shirts cropped, but you can either do them however you would like. So the first color is this blue, like a really dark blue color. I think these shirts were around $4 each. I got them on sale. And then I got just a plain black color. And now I will be showing you guys how to crop them, or how I cropped them. So I have this gray kind of looking shirt and then a white shirt. Starting out with the white shirt, all you're going to want is a really nice pair of cutting scissors. And now I'm just going to be putting the blue crop top over the already existing shirt that is laid down, so I know technically where to cut, and now you can cut. Alright guys, moving on to the cherry patch right now. It's super important that you heat up the fabric before you put on the patch. So again, for 10 to 15 seconds, you are just going to be heating that up. Next, we will be placing the patch down. Then take your cloth and go ahead and press that down, and then press it down for another 10 to 15 seconds. I mainly go for 15 seconds just to make sure you get an extra stick. Next, flip your shirt inside out. Now once your shirt is flipped out inside out, you're going to adhere the back for another 10 to 15 seconds. Just really making sure it all sticks together. And of course, you can always have a parent help you with this step. Now flip the shirt back inside out, and your cherry shirt is done. Hey guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when I post a new video. And now your shirt is done. Hey guys, so now we are going in with the bowl. This is a totally different kind of transfer, so definitely make sure you look at the back of the transfer paper for the instructions. But right now, going in all around the shirt where you are technically going to be putting the transfer item on, you're just going to again heat it up and get that ready. And try to make sure it is flat. I know mine wasn't really, and the camera is getting foggy. Okay, going in with the transfer item, we will be putting that around there. And now you're going to put the cloth over it. And then this part is actually way longer than the other part. You are going to be steaming it technically for a full minute. Make sure you get all the angles everywhere, and make sure you try to keep the transfer item really flat so there's no bubbles when it comes to taking it off and wearing it. So now you're going to keep the whole entire transfer paper and everything on it, and you are going to just flip it inside out, and you are just going to really, again, do the same process that you are going to do for technically all of these shirts. And then once the whole entire shirt has cooled, you are going to take off that kind of laminated sheet that is keeping it together. Now, once you have let it cool, you are going to start by peeling off the transfer. You can either peel it this way or this way, it doesn't really matter. For me, I am going to go this way, but I'm going to start really, really slow. And that is the bull shirt. Moving on, we will be doing the Manzilla flower.